clear in my mind. But the one things, if you are do any work, any job, anything you can in your life, in your future perspective related, but you consider one more thing, family situation, because you are living family, lots of things are surrounding you, lots of emotions, lots of relationship conditions, and lots of things. I'm not married, I'm a single, but in family, other relations like brother, sister, mother, father, everything. So balanced of them, balance all of this, it's also affect your career, affect your work life, and affect your thinking process. And so all after conclude that I can I want to be manage all of things through do nothing. Concept is to only in my mind when I am excited mode, so I want to do this, do everything today in my mind. That is not possible, but you can thinking when I am doing this, so I can do everything. So firstly, write every requirement that needs to build a bright career for you and for me. So the purpose and the question for me, that task for me to write every skill task that needs for my upcoming projects, business that I want to start, and other when in jobs perspective, growth, everything. Write it down in a page. This need for me, and how I can, what you can decide this type, and what does, and how is not a fix, how is multiple times, how multiple ways. So you can find multiple ideas, multiple source, multiple everything you can say, lots of way to find. That's why I'm curious to know the first one today. My salary is not decided, where I'm stuck in salary. When my salary is fixed, I want to be at least 36. When that's I'm free to mind, I'm doing good, at least minimum pay to 36. But my office and my admin can't convince them to 36. She said 32 give this month, and after we say your work and we will give you 36. Saying we will see next month. See means nothing you can do. You are trapped. If so, I can understand all of this. So job तो करना ही है, जॉब तो करना ही है. सो ज़्यादा नेगोशिएशन नहीं करेंगे. आई वांट टू बी नो मोर negotiable talks today. So I'm saying clearly, saying everything. This is the today's my all day plan. But first about other things, that tasks and jobs related works, focused on one thing and crack that, fix, and side by side other things, and at home basically basic things, and doing simple one thing written first one thing. That's come, everything comes new, anything idea, anything related to anything, write on your pen notebook. If not available everywhere with your pen notebook, so write in your mobile. So that's all for today. Hello everyone, and very good morning to all. and today is a new day for me and fall. um, uh, 12th March 26, I think so, I'm correct. Yeah, 12th March. And now it's a glorious day for me because lots of answers I found it out and working on that, because lots of things I will share you. I was shared yesterday, like how my mind work and how I'm stuck and how I can not express my word. So these all things comes from it's not clear in your mind what you can do and how, what is mean. If you in your mind, if in your mind what question is what is clear, then I will find every question answers, solutions. Because last 5 to 10, at least my full